What if NASA found proof of a parallel universe, where time runs backward? High above Antarctica, NASA launched balloons to detect cosmic rays. But instead, they found something impossible. Particles moving up from the Earth, not down. These particles shouldn't exist. They appear to be coming from a world where the laws of physics are reversed. Some scientists say it's just an instrument glitch, but others believe it's our first glimpse into a parallel universe, a mirror reality touching ours. If a parallel world exists, maybe another version of you is watching this right now.